What I love most about working at Xometry are so many things. I love our marketing teammates. Everyone is a true gem and a true specialist at what they do. They bring a real energy and a heart of innovation to every project that they work on. There's really a sense of ownership and pride in the work that we do and the results we produce. Xometry's mission motivates my day-to-day in that we are truly making manufacturing accessible for everyone. Innovation and customer service at our core, it really keeps me focused on what I'm working on day to day in terms of serving our customers and bringing them the best content and resources possible, as well as the bigger picture of what's going on in the manufacturing industry and how we're truly a part of that. We're a part of continuing to keep the machines running, and we're also a part of innovating and continuing to push the industry forward. And it's really exciting to be at a place that's making a powerful impact and making big strides in the manufacturing sector. It's also inspiring to be working at a company that is on the cutting edge of manufacturing technology and is working with such amazing partners across the manufacturing industry. It's an exciting time to be at the intersection of manufacturing and tech, and I'm so proud to be part of the Xometry team. To learn more about us and what we're up to, follow Xometry.